Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial we'll be creating a super simple ruffle style cake in a gender reveal theme. To a cake board I'm sticking a 5-inch cake on top that's been cut in half and filling with a coloured frosting. I've chosen to go pink, and then I'm layering on the cake layers and just following the same steps again, about 1.5 tablespoons or so of buttercream. Recipe for this buttercream will be listed in the description box above this video. Once all your cake layers have been applied, I've used 2 cakes cut in half, so 4 layers of cake in total. It's time to create our crumb coat. This is a thin layer of frosting all around the cake to trap in any crumbs. I recommend going a little bit thicker than usual for the crumb coat so that if you do see through the ruffles that we're going to create, at least you're seeing through to colour and not crumbs. Smooth it out with your bench scraper. Fill in any pockets as you go, and then when it's nice and smooth you can bring that top lip to the center of your cake. This is actually going to be a cake class if anyone's interested in recreating this live with me, and I can walk you through it step by step with video. Link to book your class spot will be listed in the description box above as well. Take a ruler or a metal spatula and just score some lines up the side to use as a guide for your ruffles. This is a 104 piping tip that I'm using, and I'll be alternating my coloured buttercream between pink and blue. Start at the bottom and then work your way up. Notice the larger end of my piping tip is facing the cake and the skinnier side is facing away from the cake. Travel back and forth using those lines as a guide until you reach the top of the cake. If you're new to cake decorating, I highly recommend a 104 piping tip to have in your stash. It's just amazing for floral decorations, for ruffles like this, and a whole bunch of other really cool little decorations like petals and stuff on your cake, and kind of fish scales. Very, very versatile piping tip. At the top I've used a 6B star tip and I'm just creating a star border right at the top. This is going to act like a dam to keep our sprinkles within the center of the cake. Move your sprinkles around until they've completely covered the top of the cake, and your gender reveal design is complete. If you'd like to join in on the class on how to make this, it'll be over Zoom with maximum 20 students. We'll all get to share our video so I can see how you guys are faring and give you any tips along the way. Those details will be in the description box up top. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll catch you again in the next one.